Hello, it's Mr. Sowers. I want to take a moment to discuss why sometimes when you divide positive and negative numbers, your answer is sometimes positive and other times it's negative. Let's start with question number 1, which is all positives, and just remind ourselves that this 12 divided by 4 is really asking, how many times does 4 go into 12? How many groups of 4 do we make in 12? In this case, I have 12 red dots. I see 1 group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, because 4 goes into 12 3 times, and we can check this by multiplying. Okay, when we have negatives, in this case we have this negative, remember, don't get too scared. That really just means the opposite. That negative is the same thing as the opposite. Okay, and we'll talk about this more in class, but we can take this negative, we can say, what is the opposite, that was that negative I just drew, of 12 divided by 4, and do the 12 divided by 4 part first. We can do this. 12 divided by 4, positive 12 divided by positive 4, as we just said before here, is 3. And what's the opposite of a positive 3? A negative 3. That's right. This is very similar to question number 3. We have this opposite in front of, or a negative in front of the 4. We can take that negative, bring it out in front, consider it the opposite of, and then do the 12 divided by 4 part first. It's a sloppy division, sorry. 12 divided by 4 is 3. What's the opposite of positive 3? You guessed it, negative 3. So this whole business of taking these negatives and kind of pulling them out in front, if you look at question number 4, we can again do this, but we're not going to just have one negative pulled out, we're going to have 2. 1, 2. So we're really asking, question number 4, negative 12 divided by negative 4. What is negative 12 divided by 4? Or what is the opposite of 12 divided by 4? Start with the parentheses. 12 divided by 4, we know that is 3. What is the opposite of 3? Negative 3. And what is the opposite of negative 3? Back to positive 3. So it's almost like these two negatives canceling each other out. Try down here where it says signs for multiplication and division. Try to fill in these 4 boxes based on our work up here. And if you said positive, positive, negative, negative, you are spot on. Good job.